two men where did this picture? Judas the beat maker, Saidaboj and Blessing CEO. One go come. You say now she be a shower ambassador. Yes, now she be a shower ambassador. Yes, any woman, your boyfriend not dey treat you well, enter a shower. The other one go come, he go say, without 20 million, you know, go open toto for man. Blessing CEO go come, he go say this and this. Make them ban these three women for this social media.
Make them sorry for them, no sorry. Make them if they ban our Judas, how you go take survive for this country? I beg, they can ban anybody but not Judas the bead maker. I beg, now our president be that. But on a more serious note, these three women, I know say na cruise in the catch for social media. Nowadays, when internet they don't demonetize everywhere, people they do anything just to trend, get engagement and make money. But my fear na people where they grow up, you know, to them they don't understand. See all this thing where these women they do for internet na cruise and they catch. You see somebody making Blessing CEO role model. You see a 15 years old girl, 13 years. You know, all these teenagers coming up making Saidaboj their role model, things like that. They will not understand seeing a cruise these people they catch. They don't mean them. They will take it to heart and they will be growing up with it. You understand? But as a grown up where you be for 2024, you still they make people your role model aside your family, yeah, like your parents them. Girlfriend, you need to grow up. Seriously. I can't imagine a girl of 20 years, 25 saying that Blessing CEO is my role model. You see somebody saying I see Saidaboj as my all and all. I will be like, hey God, is this girl okay? You see somebody fighting with her boyfriend, her husband, because of what another girl said for social media. Hey, nothing we no go see. To me, I know saying I cruise these people they catch, so there's no need of make them ban them. Like make them no ban anybody. Make they no ban any. In fact, make they ban people where they listen to them. Yes, now people where they listen to them, they suppose banned. In fact, make government ban anybody where talk say this person is my role model for internet. Make government ban them. Yes, make government ban them. But on a more serious note, Judas the bead maker, that girl a joy giver. If you see where she they give advice to all these young girls where they come up, when they advise them, say I shall no be walk cool. Now your toto go suffer. Do you understand? Like she they catch cruise and at the same time they advise people. She they even use her experience. They advise young girls. That's why I said anything. No Judas slander will be tolerated though. Make them sorry for them, no sorry. Make them sorry for them, no normally I shall know they lose God. I shall make una want to na God. This is my role model, make government ban them. Oh my country people, see you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there and shine your eyes open. Make no man andrew you because say you dey listen to anybody. Shine your eyes, oh. Ngwano, bye.